Good Friday morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your forecast for today, for this weekend, and for the holiday week ahead. We've got a little bit of everything. We've got plenty of sunshine. Temperatures quite warm for several of the days. We're talking temperatures about 15 to 20 degrees warmer than normal for this time of the year, and even a little bit of snow in the forecast, possibly a little bit on Christmas. We'll talk about that here in just a second. Excuse me. Take you outside. This is a live look out over downtown Denver. Beautiful blue skies. We've got a few wave clouds moving through here and there, but for the most part, we are looking mostly clear, mostly sunny, a little bit breezy, as you can tell from the shaking of the camera, but the winds certainly strongest in the foothills once again. But we're talking not necessarily the 70, 80 plus mile per hour winds that we saw a couple days ago, but more like 40, 50 mile per hour wind gust range in the foothills. Topping your weather headlines for today is the warm, dry, and mild weekend ahead. Temperatures in the 60s. Light mountain snow expected Sunday evening into Monday night into Tuesday morning. Some of that precipitation looking to drop down into the plains, so we could see a little bit of precipitation early Tuesday morning, basically Monday night into Tuesday morning, and that could be a few snowflakes, but again, not expecting any accumulation with that. Just something to keep an eye on. We shouldn't have any weather impacts. We do have a storm moving in on Christmas, though, and that is going to bring some fairly widespread snow to the mountains and possibly a rain-snow mix down at the lower elevations. As that storm system moves through, so will a cold front on Wednesday, Christmas Day, and behind that front, there's just a little bit of moisture in that system, pretty meager, but a little bit of moisture, and that could fall in the form of snow. But again, not expecting travel impacts on Christmas either. Right now at DIA, 60 degrees, winds out of the south-southwest, right around 13 miles per hour. Temperatures certainly varying, warmer along the urban corridor, where we're at 60 in Denver, 52 in Colorado Springs, 45 in Pueblo, or the I-25 corridor, I should say. Temperatures out east, though, quite a bit cooler. Still getting that cold weather dropping down from the north, cooling things off. So we're still at 32 degrees in Sterling, 39 in Greeley, 36 in Ray. So again, the northeast, we're getting a little bit of cirrus clouds moving through, and a little bit of a colder air mass up there in the northeast corner of the state. Hasn't quite filtered in to the I-25 corridor yet. Mostly sunny, 62 degrees. Winds out of the north-northeast, 5 to 15 miles per 5 to 15 miles per hour for your forecast for today. Forecast highs in the 50s and even low 60s. Again, here in the metro area, we're forecasting a high right around 62 degrees. Winds, again, current gusts not too bad around the urban corridor, the metro area, even 12 mile per hour wind gusts in Boulder, but again, go up to those usual places, Nederland, Blackhawk, Dumont. We're seeing those wind gusts up to 20, 30 miles per hour, Ward, 40 plus mile per hour wind gusts right now. And again, we're going to see those strong wind gusts in the foothills through the afternoon, but calming down as we head into tomorrow morning. Taking a live look at our radar, we are looking pretty clear. We've got high pressure building in, and that is keeping any type of storm activity out of our area. We continue to see a system moving through, kind of a clipper system moving through the central plains. And this one is cold, bringing some snow and well as some colder air, impacting, of course, the temperatures across the northern regions of the state. But for us, we just got high pressure building in, and that is keeping us pretty uneventful, mainly sunny, mild, a little bit breezy in the foothills, and that is about it. Tonight, mostly clear, overnight lows dropping down about 33 degrees. Here's a look at your jet stream forecast. We've got a ridge of high pressure building in. That's going to continue over the next couple of days. As we head into Sunday, you can start to notice the amplification of that ridge flattening out, and then you see above it to the north a bit of a dip in the jet stream, and that's going to allow for a storm system to brush just to the north of us. That is what is going to bring us some snow to the high country Sunday into Monday, and possibly a little bit of precip Monday into Tuesday down at the lower elevations. Then we have another break on Tuesday before the next system moves in on Wednesday. We're going to talk about that system, your Christmas Day system, in just a second. Let's talk about your forecast for tomorrow. It is the first day of winter. Partly cloudy skies, 61 degrees, so feeling a bit more like spring than winter. Forecast highs across the plains for tomorrow, 50s, low 60s once again, and we're talking about mainly 40s in the mountains. So let's talk about next week. Mountain snow, again, expected on Christmas Day, fairly widespread. For the metro area, could get a light mix Christmas night. We're talking about starting between about 5 o'clock in the evening and 11 o'clock. We do have a chance for some snow, possibly a mix. Will it have any travel impacts? It's not looking like it at this point. Doesn't look like it should have any major travel impacts. If there are, they will be minor, and that's what we're looking at right now. Futurecast, again, showing the track of that storm. This is 7 o'clock Christmas morning, and you can see some snow over the northwest corner of the state. Then it travels into, it's 2:30 on Wednesday. You can see fairly widespread snow again in the mountains. That includes the I-70 corridor through the mountain passes as well. And then we get a little bit of precipitation down along the I-25 corridor in the form of rain. 3:30 overnight, it moves out, but again, as we transition from that rain and that cold front moving through, that precipitation, not a lot, but could turn to snow after that cold front moves through Wednesday afternoon. So a chance for snow for the metro area on Christmas Day between about 5 in the evening and 11 o'clock at night. Again, some folks traveling around that time expect the potential for some snow, but again, not expecting any travel impacts as a result of it. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. We are in the 60s through Sunday, 50s Monday and Tuesday, mid-50s Monday and Tuesday, back down to the low 50s Wednesday for your Christmas holiday, again with a chance for some snow late or a wintry mix. And then high pressure builds back in on Thursday. We're looking at sunshine, temperatures right around 50 degrees. That is a quick look at your weather on this Friday. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day and a safe weekend.